YouTube? It's your girl Christina, and I'm back with another video. Hey, how y'all doing, my mooka butts? Okay, OOTD, because first of all, I look like a fucking snack and then some today. Like, I don't even look real. I look like a Barbie doll, right? Damn! Sorry. Okay, so, reverse cowgirly, okay? Y'all been asking for this video. I have just been trying to figure out how to deliver it because YouTube, y'all some sensitive motherfuckers. Y'all don't, I miss bouncing on here. Like, I miss acting a fool, but it's okay. Because we getting back to that part. I'm figuring it out. Yeah, YouTube, you can't censor me. Oh my God. Okay, so first things first. Grab the ankles, okay? Grab the ankles. Now, when you are reverse, okay, you know what I'm saying? You see with the reverse cowgirl is basically riding backwards, okay? And like you'll see, you're facing their feet, their toes, they're gonna be throwing up gang signs. But you grab the ankles, okay? I grab the ankles for bounce support, okay? Bounce support. Which is needed, which is important, bounce support, okay? So literally, you can either ride on your knees or on your feet. Okay? So, grab the ankles. Boom. Okay? I'm going to try to not do much demonstration. Okay? He's laying over here. Ankles. Boom. Grab the ankles. Okay? So, your knees will either be on the bed, and then you grab the ankles, and then you could just like bounce up and down regular like that. Or you could plant your feet on the bed. Personally, I switch in between the two because it's two different. Like, if you want to go gentle, then reverse on your knees. If you want to go more like, take this motherfucking soul, right up, girl, that's when you shift on your feet. Like, you know when you like in your car and you about to do the dash and you like sit up? That's basically what going on your feet does. It's the same shit, bitch. So, grab the ankles, either go on your knees and just simple up and down. Y'all know how to do simple up and down. Okay, or grab the ankles, go on your feet. Again, it's simple up and down. Okay, up, down, like you know, then you go faster. Up, down, up, down. Now, okay, rotate as you ride. Go watch my how to move your hips tutorial. Okay, because I tell y'all on there, like, so rotate as you ride basically means, I'm going to show you like one time. I can't really do it. So, okay, let's dance. We're going to dance real quick. Yeah. Okay, so, YouTube, why are you so strict for? Like, okay, so, okay, I'm just going to hold YouTube. Is it okay? So you know how you're sitting like this, right? Let's not do too much. Okay? So rotate as you ride means, I'm going to show real quick. Go up, rotate down. Okay, you saw how I did that? Okay, you have to do that the whole time. So every time you go up, you rotate your hips and then you go down. Up, rotate your hips, go down. Up, rotate your hips, go down. Now, when I tell you this is like the hottest view ever, like ever. You know how many men, like, yo, when I do that, they literally lose their fucking minds. I remember one time, this one guy, right? Psychopath. Y'all have heard about him before. That nigga was obsessed with me. Levels. Anyway, I remember, like, yo, every time I did that, that man would lose his mind. I mean, they were all obsessed with me, so y'all not gonna even know what I'm talking about. Okay, but whatever. That man was so obsessed with me. Like, that was one of his favorite things that I did. Like, I remember, like, when he first saw me do it, like, he started losing his mind. He's like, oh, my fucking God, you're so perfect. Like, while I was writing it. Okay? Up, rotate, down. Up, rotate, down. If y'all want to see a more in-depth, what I mean, go subscribe to my OnlyFriends. Okay? All my links are down in every description. Okay? The link is in my Instagram bio. So go to my Instagram, go to my bio. Okay? Ask to buy a tape, okay? And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about on how to, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. You're gonna be like, oh, and study the video, okay? Rotate as you ride. He liked the way I ride. He liked the way I ride. remix doing it. Okay, sorry. So yeah, y'all already know. Bounce is kind of the simple. Bounce. I love the way you shake that. Over there dancing like you ain't got no man. Okay, sorry. Bounce. That's kind of common sense, guys. Up, down, grab the ankles. Up, down, grab the knees. Up, down. When you grab the ankles, when you grab the knees, you're not as tired. You don't get as tired as fast. Again, it's like support. Hair matters. When you're doing reverse, move, girl, okay? Hair matters. When I say hair matters, that is the perfect, because your hair, right? If you have short hair, long hair is kind of more what I'm talking about, because it like falls down to your back. So they love that. They love the bounce, rotate, and like the hair flip combo. Like they like that. They love that shit. That shit's hot to them. Gotta flip the hair, girl. Flip the hair. Right? Bounce, rotate, flip hair on one side. Rotate, flip your other side. Look back at it. Oh yeah, that's another thing we're gonna get into. You looking back at it. You have to look back at it, okay? So when I say look back at it, I mean, okay? Okay? Look as you're doing it. Okay? You heard me? You heard me. Cool beans. Next. Last key, play with the twins. You know what the twins are. I told y'all we have a pair. It's just on our chest. We call them chestnuts. Sorry. Okay, no, but for real. Okay? They're right, while you're, bound, they're right here. So do a little, okay? While you're right, reverse cowgirl, and that's it, baby. That's it. Oh, please. I think I did this video pretty appropriately. Do you think so? No? Don't say no. What do you mean, no? Like, the fuck? I tried so hard. Okay, I'm sorry. I know everything's a song. Yeah, but I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video.